spotting the DHL phishing scam. DHL has a package for you. Yeah, right. Oh my God, where do I begin to tell you what pure crap this is? First, let me start by saying the graphics in this email suck raw eggs, all blurry and cut off. It's also stupid how they used butchered graphics made from a screenshot of the real DHL webpage. I mean, the links are actually supposed to be real links, but now they're nothing more than an image. And I love the spelling of the word parcel, or as they put it, parcel. Not to mention the pidgin English. Our courier was unable to deliver the parcel to you due to wrong address from our customer. And they make the return email address look legit, customer service at DHL.com. But remember, anybody can spoof that return address to make it say whatever they want. Now, I checked the headers of this email and found out it was delivered from India. You can learn about checking headers in my email headers video. Next, you gotta wonder, why are they sending this email to undisclosed recipients if it was addressed to you for you to pick up your package? Naturally, they want you to click on the attachment and open it up. Don't do it! They use the reasoning that you need to print the receipt to go pick up your package. Hey, if they're a damn delivery company, why the hell can't they deliver it? And why do you need to print a receipt? Why can't they just check your ID when they get to your door? That attachment is a virus, people, which can range from annoying pop-up ads to a keylogger or even take your computer hostage with ransomware. Don't respond to it. Don't click on it. Just delete the damn thing and move on. This is not from DHL. The best thing you can do at this point is share this video with people you know who might also need to know this information. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and to keep up to date on my latest videos, subscribe.